हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू आर ऑल फाइन। लास्ट क्लास में हमने प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 किया था. नाउ लेट्स सी प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हनी बीज मेक हनी फ्रॉम डैश. हनी बी किस चीज से हनी बनाती है, और वो आंसर है नेक्टर. Options here are given: pollen, petals, nectar and birds. So the answer is nectar. Honey bees make honey from nectar. Okay. Second question. Below are the names of some animals: cow, horse, sheep and ox. Which of the above are the source of milk for human beings? इन चारों एनिमल्स में कौन कौन से एनिमल्स हमको मिल्क दे सकते हैं? सो द आंसर विल बी cow, horse and sheep. Cow also gives us milk, horse also gives us milk, sheep also gives us milk. So the answer is cow, horse and sheep. Third, identify the odd set from the following. Okay, first is A, cow, milk and butter. Okay, from milk we can get butter, and milk we get from the cow. That is perfect. Got milk and meat. Got eats the meat, and it is also a meat and it gives us milk, so that is also perfect. Option number C. Okay. B, hen, meat and egg. Hen gives us egg and it is also a meat, so option B is also correct. And last D, plant, vegetable and butter. Okay, plants we get vegetable from the plants, but buttermilk we get from the milk, or curd which we get from the cow. So the option D is incorrect, which is plant, vegetable and butter. So the odd set is option D. So answer is option D. Now fourth question, where do bees store honey? The bees store honey in the beehive. Where does bee store honey in the beehive? Now let's see practice question number 6. First question, identify the animals in the grid given below and categorize them into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores in the table next to it. Okay, here is a grid given below. This is the grid. From this you have to find out the animals. This is the like a puzzle crossword. So you have to find the animals. So here if we see herbivorous animals, which are we know buffalo, rat, cow, butterfly, these are all the herbivorous animals. So let's find out cow if we can get. Here see, it is cow. Here I think the first. Okay, and then if we see cow, and then okay, let's find another animal. Here it is wolf, then here it is rat, then here it is lion, then uh, anything else? Okay, I can't find anything else. Here it is human. Okay, and here it is. Then hen, hen, hen. Here it is. Then okay, okay, I can find this much only. So from this, okay, one more frog, and try on your way. If you can, if you can find more, then you have to just categorize them in this table. So first we found cow, so which is a herbivorous. Then we found wolf, which is carnivorous. Then rat, which is omnivorous. Then we found frog, which is carnivorous. Then we found lion, which is carnivorous. Then we found ant, which is omnivorous. Then we found hen, which is okay, we found hen, which is omnivorous. Then we found human, which is omnivorous. We found frog, which is carnivorous. Okay, you can find many more animals from the table, and then you can write the answer on your way. So this is up to you. Second question, read the clues and filling the blanks given below each of them. Okay, honeybees suck nectar from. Okay, honeybees suck nectar from flowers. Honeybee sucks dash from flower. We know the answer, that is nectar. Honeybee sucks nectar from the flower. So N is given, then 2 dash T dash R. So we have to fill NECTAR. Okay. Second, animals which eat other animals. उस animals को क्या बोलते हैं? Carnivorous animals. So we can answer is carnivorous. You can write. You have to filling the blanks. Now, which animals which eat only plants and plant product? जो plants which depends on only plants, does not eat any animals, so they are herbivorous animals. So answer we can write like that. And last is animals which eat both plants and animals, so they are known as omnivores. So we have to write OMNIVORES. You have to know the spellings of all this. So this also a practice question you have to write in your notebook. Okay, now let's start new chapter of this unit. Okay, so now we are starting the second chapter of our first unit, which is components of our food. Now let's start by asking you a very simple question but very useful one. So my question is, why do we need food? What will happen if we do not eat the food? Okay, first question is, why do we need food? We need food so we can get energized and do our daily activities, right? And what will happen if we don't eat food? We will not get enough energy, so we cannot do our daily routine work. So now, how does we get this energy? We get this energy from the nutritions. And what is a nutrition? Okay, now let's see what is nutrition. Nutrition keyword is a word for today is nutrition. What is nutrition? A nutrition is a substance that is very important for the maintenance of life and for growth. So basically न्यूट्रिशन क्या होता है? एक सब्सटेंस है, एक चीज़ है जिस वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है किसके लिए? हमारी लाइफ और ग्रोथ को मेंटेन करने के लिए. जैसे हम बड़े हो रहे हैं, हमारी हाइट वेट शेप चेंजेस जो हो रहे हैं वो न्यूट्रिशंस मिल रहे हैं, इसलिए प्रॉपर ग्रोथ हमारा हो रहा है, तो लाइफ मेंटेन हो रही है. तो this is a substance, nutrition is a substance that is very important for the maintenance of life and for the growth. For an example, protein is an important nutrition required for building muscles in our body. जैसे there are many different types of nutrition. There are 7 nutritions in the food. First we see that protein. I am giving you here is an example of प्रोटीन. और प्रोटीन क्या होता है कि जो जिम जा रहे हैं, जो बॉडी बिल्डिंग कर रहे हैं, अपने मसल्स बाइसेप्स, यू नो ऑल दिस थिंग राइट, तो वो बनाने के लिए मोस्ट आईएमपी प्रोटीन. तो जो जिम जा रहे हैं वो लोग प्रोटीन पाउडर खाते हैं with milk, with curd. There are many other different forms of protein to build their muscles in the body. So there are types of nutrition. Now let's see types of nutrition. The 7 main nutritions our body needed are, which is main IMP parts. These 7 are the most required nutritions of our body. So first is carbohydrate, second is protein, third fat, then fourth vitamin, fifth minerals, then sixth fiber, and seventh water. Okay, what is carbohydrate? We are going to now let's see more in detail about carbohydrate. So what is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate gives our body energy. We get carbohydrates from grains and cereals like rice, wheat, ragi, jowar. फर्स्ट, कार्बोहाइड्रेट का मेन काम क्या होता है? वो हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी देता है. और वो हमको एनर्जी किस चीज़ से मिलती है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हम जिस चीज़ से मिलते हैं, जैसे ग्रेन्स है, सीरियल्स है. ग्रेन्स और सीरियल कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? राइस, व्हीट, रागी, जुआर, एक्सेट्रा, मैनी अदर थिंग्स, राइट? All the grains and cereals that we know are the examples that gives us carbohydrates, and then carbohydrates gives us energy. We also get carbohydrate from vegetables like potatoes and most fruit. Sugar is also a carbohydrate. We seen pulses and cereals, grains and cereals that gives us carbohydrate. Secondly is potatoes and all the fruits. Potato has more amount of carbohydrate, and all the fruits have carbohydrates, so they are also a part of carbohydrate which gives us energy. And sugar is also a carbohydrate that also gives us energy. So now let's see concept time number 6. Can you observe, can you hear or see the food items that you almost ate last week? Like not non-vegetarians, vegetarian plus both. So can you identify the source of carbohydrates in them? In this figure you can see carbohydrates like roti, squash, made from wheat grains, vegetables, fruits and sugar. So these are all the carbohydrates. Now let's see practice question 1. So practice question number 1, first question. Unscramble the following words, components of the food, and write them in the space provided. Here are some words which are with incorrect spelling. Now you have to just arrange them and make the correct spelling. So first is proteins. We have given here and what it's from, which, what are these names, right? Components of food. So we know the 7 main nutritions, right? So first is protein, second is nutrition, third is vitamin, then fourth is fat. Oh, sorry, I will write it down. Protein, then nutrition, then vitamins, vitamins, then fat, then minerals, then fiber, sorry, carbohydrate and water. So these are all the unscrambled words of the components of food. Okay, now let's see question number 2. Write the meaning of word nutrition and make a sentence using it. As I already told you, nutrition is a substance that is very important for the maintenance of life and for growth. And protein is an important nutrition that helps to build the muscle in our body. So we already made a sentence here. Protein is an important nutrition. In making sentence, nutrition word must be there. So protein is an important nutrition that helps build the muscles in our body. Question number 3. List the food item you had for dinner. Circle the ones that are source of carbohydrate. उसमें आंसर तुम लोगों ने जो शाम को खाया है डिनर में वो लिखना है, और उसमें से जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, मतलब जो भी चीज़ें जो ग्रेन्स, सीरियल्स, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल, शुगर से बनी हुई हो तो जिसमें से कार्बोहाइड्रेट मिल सकते हैं हमको, वो सब चीज़ें तुमको सर्कल आउट करनी है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, रोटी, दाल, पोटैटो की सब्जी और पल्सेस वो तुमने खाए हैं, तो आंसर में ग्रेन से रोटी बनती है, फिर दाल नहीं आती है, वो पल्सेस से बनती है, पल्सेस नहीं आते हैं, और पोटैटो जो वेजिटेबल्स में आते हैं, तो यू हैव टू सर्कल रोटी एंड पोटैटो. दैट्स इट. So this is question number 3. So now we will be learning about two other important nutritions, which is fat and proteins. So first we learned about carbohydrate. Now we will learn about fat and proteins. Fats are very important nutrition for our body. They are also one of the energy giving foods, but they take more time than carbohydrate to give us energy. Some common sources of fat are oil, butter, ghee, cheese, fish, meat, egg yolk. Water fats, they are also one type of energy givers. They also give us energy like carbohydrate gives. But the main difference between carbohydrate and fat is that carbohydrate does not take much longer time to give us the energy, while fats take much longer time to give us energy. So some sources of fat you already know as oil, butter, ghee, cheese, fish, meat, egg yolk. So however, not all fats are good. Healthy fats are found in nuts, oil and dry fruits. Ghee is healthy too. Likewise, there are different types of fat. Not all these fats, બધા જ જાતના જે ફેટ છે એ બધા healthy નથી હોતા. બટ જે ફ્રૂટ્સ જે ડ્રાય ફ્રૂટ્સ આવે છે, નટ્સ છે, ઓઇલ છે, ઘી છે, આ બધા હેલ્ધી ફૂડ ફેટ્સ છે. અને unhealthy foods are found in junk food and processed food. We should avoid eating in large quantities. So unhealthy food, where it is found, fats, sorry, unhealthy fats where are found, they are found in junk food. જે આપણે ચીઝ બર્ગર પિઝા, ફ્રેન્ચ ફ્રાઈઝ, હોટ ડોગ, આ બધું બર્ગર એવું બધું ખાવ છો એમાં ફેટ હોય છે જે અનહેલ્ધી હોય છે. હેલ્ધી ફેટ હોય છે, અનહેલ્ધી ફેટ. હેલ્ધી ફેટ મેં તમને કીધું ઘી ને એવા બધા આઇટમ્સમાં મળશે, જ્યારે અનહેલ્ધી ફૂડ બધા જંક ફૂડમાં મળશે. સો લાર્જ ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં આપણે અનહેલ્ધી ફેટવાળું ફૂડ અવોઇડ કરવું જોઈએ. So which of the following are good source of fat? Cheese, nuts, oil and burger. So the healthy sources are nuts and oil. Cheese, burger, all these are junk food that are that are available in junk food. So they are unhealthy fat source of fat. Nuts and oil, dry fruits, all are the good sources of fat. Okay. Why is fat needed by our body? Fat is needed by our body because it is an important nutrition that gives us energy. Our body takes more time to obtain energy from fat rather than carbohydrate. Okay, now let's see what is protein. We learned about carbohydrate, learned about fats. Now let's learn about protein. Protein are also a very important nutrition for our body. They help our growth by building and repairing the muscles in our body. Like carbohydrate help us to grow, for our growth and maintain our life. Likewise, protein helps in building and repairing our body, the muscles in our body. So these are the protein. Some protein sources are like egg, lentils, beans, meat and fish. All the beans that we eat like chana, then beans, soya bean. We eat many types of bean. There are different types of red beans. All these are the sources of protein. So Joseph went to the gym every day, but he did not build muscle. In fact, he felt weak and tired. What could be the possible reason? Because he must be lack in the protein in his diet. There will be less amount of protein in his diet, so he was not able to build muscles, and instead he started feeling weak and tired. So fats are an important nutrition because they provide energy to our body, and protein are an important nutrition because they help us grow, building our muscles, grow and repair, both grow and repair and build our bones and muscles. Okay, so we till now we learned carbohydrate, fat, and protein. Now let's see sixth question from the practice question. Classify the following food items as a source of carbohydrate, proteins, or fat. So we have given here the items moong dal, fish, mustard oil, sweet potato, milk, rice, egg, beans, butter, buttermilk, paneer, and peas. So we have to classify into carbohydrate, protein, and fat. So, sweet potato, rice, wheat bread, maize, they are made from grains, then potato, fruits, and uh, sugar. These are all the carbohydrates part. They are most energy we get, most energy, not carbohydrate we get, that is from potato, um, grains, cereals, etc. Now for protein, moong dal, fish, beans, peas, egg, milk, paneer, and fat is oil and butter and buttermilk, so that are fat rich food. List the food item you ate for dinner. Next question, number 5. List the food item you ate for dinner. Circle the ones that you gave protein and put a tick mark against those gave you fat. For an example, if you ate fish, dal, egg, and curd, then fish and dal gave you proteins, and egg and curd gave you fat. So you can write your answer on your own, what you ate for dinner, then circle out the proteins one, and then tick mark the fat ones, fat foods. So in today's class we learned about nutrition, that nutritions are substances that are important for our growth and maintaining our life. And then we saw 7 types of nutritions, which are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, fibers, and water. And then we saw that carbohydrates are important nutrition that provides energy to our body. Then we saw other two nutritions, which is fat and protein. Like carbohydrate, fat also give us energy, but we should avoid some eating food items like processed and junk food, which are the source of bad fats, right? Sorry. So and fat gives us takes more time to gives us energy. Then we learned about proteins, that protein are important for growth, for building muscles and bones, and we obtain protein from egg, lentils, and meat, and etc. Curd, eggs, everything we get the protein from them. So that's it for today. I will send you the PDF of an practice question. First watch the video, understand, and then write the practice question in your notebook and send it to me as your homework. Thank you all. Have a nice day.